Hi everyone, Leanne Pilkington here for this week's Real Estate Wrap, week commencing the 8th of February. This weekend we had 449 properties go to auction with a preliminary clearance rate of 89.1%. Wow. Last week, 270 properties with a final clearance rate of 76.7%, and same weekend last year, 384 properties with a 77.6% clearance. Obviously, clearance rates that high are an indication of a hot market. We are in a rising market at the moment. We have more demand than supply, and that's why we're getting these results. Melbourne, this weekend, 592 properties with a preliminary clearance rate of 80.8%. Last week, 390 properties, 80% final clearance rate. But it's not just Sydney and Melbourne that are doing well. Around the country, we're seeing strong results. Canberra, 92.7% preliminary clearance rate on the weekend. Adelaide, 82.8%. Perth, 75%. Brisbane, 74.6%. So really strong markets around the country. Back to Sydney, 100% of the properties in the inner west sold over the weekend. Incredible. And these following suburbs all had a better than 90% clearance rate. Central Coast, eastern suburbs, inner southwest, North Sydney, Hornsby, Northern Beaches and Ryde, all above 90%. January saw 4% less listings come onto the market as against January last year. And the overall listing bank was down by 16.2%, which means all of the stock that has been on the market has been selling as well. So that tells you why we're getting the level of clearance rates that we are at the moment. Just not enough stock coming on the market to meet demand. So hopefully vendors will get that message soon and start thinking about actually putting their properties on the market. I hope you all have a great week. See you soon.